Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your PayPal account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you wanted to be able to add money, you can always just open up the PayPal app. If you're on an iPhone, Android, or if you're on a computer, just go to paypal.com. Now, within here, we need to make sure an account is added to be able to top up your balance. To do that, we're going to tap on Accounts at the bottom left. And then you can see Add Banks and Cards at the top left. Let's tap on that. We need to make sure that either a debit card or a bank is added on here to top up that balance. In this case, I'm going to tap on Banks here. And you'll be able to see it says Choose Your Bank. So essentially, you're just going to log into your bank and link it up with your PayPal account so that you can top up that balance. Now, let's say I have a Wells Fargo account. I can tap on it. And then I can let me just use this Face ID here real quick. And after I've done that, I'm going to log into my Wells Fargo account to be able to add this. It says starting today, Wells Fargo, and you can hit agree and continue. You can instead just manually enter in all of those details, but essentially go through this process of logging into your Wells Fargo account and then linking it together. After you've done that, then you can top up that balance. So let's say go through this entire process and you've already added that account. Now, after you've done that, you can again tap on Accounts at the bottom left and you can see my available balance is 0, but I can tap on Add Money on here and it will say, all right, how much money do you want to add? In this scenario, I'm just going to add $1 for as an example. And you can see from, and I can tap on that and choose which account I want to send it from. You can see I can send it from various Bank of America accounts, Wells Fargo, any essentially checking account or savings account, you can top it up. Now I'm going to hit add $1 now. All I have to do is go through this process, and just like that, it says your $1 is available. Let's hit the skip button, and now if I swipe down, it should update this available balance to $1. Now I'll be able to use that PayPal balance to pay other people through friends and family, or of course I can pay for goods and services through PayPal directly using my balance. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.